Today I'm checking out this 2-pack of magnetic car signs. This is a 2-pack of 16-inch by 24-inch, and they're supposed to be plain white sheets with a magnetic backing that you can put on your car. Let me open them up and we'll check them out. So inside the container, you're going to find 2 individually wrapped car magnets, and it's going to have this little piece of paper here that tells you just some real basics. First, you need to flatten the magnets out. So when you take them out of the container, they again are magnets, so they're kind of sticking to each other. You want to roll them flat so they can start getting flattened. Then you can attach your business graphics or, draw on them even if you want to, whatever you're going to put on here. And then you can get these and just adhere them to the side of your van, your car door, your truck, whatever it is you're putting this on. It is a magnet underneath on the other side, and it should be able to just stick on, and they're supposed to stay on your door without coming off. So even if you're driving around, even on the highway, these are going to stick to your vehicle. Let's go see how this sticks to my truck. And there's the magnet installed on the side of my truck. This is a Summit White Chevy Silverado. And as you can see, the magnet itself is kind of a bright white. So it does stick out really well. It also has like a shiny coating to it. So it looks like, even if let's say you put dry erase markers on it or something, it looks like they would just wipe off pretty easy. And it even says that in the instructions that you can do that. I'm going to be putting on a logo, which is going to be a sticker. So it's going to just, stay a sticker. But it looks like there's all kinds of different things you can do with these. I really like them. I think you'll really like them. And I hope all of this information has been helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.